When a woman chooses to leave a man's life, the path that unfolds involves critical decisions. Many respond poorly, which can diminish their worth. However, there are constructive approaches that can increase your value and prompt the woman to reconsider her decision. It's not just about winning her back, but also about progressing with strength and dignity. The focus of this discussion is on elevating your worth as a man, surmounting challenges, and moving forward confidently. While trying to reconcile with her may be an option, the ultimate choice rests with you. Let's explore actions that can boost your self-esteem and encourage the person who left to reassess. Remember, facing the future with determination is paramount. Let's get started. Number 1. Showcase maturity and embrace acceptance. Facing reality, many men persist in pursuing women who have rejected them, nurturing the false hope of winning them back. However, this approach often proves futile. At best, the woman may offer occasional attention out of pity, but it does not signal a reconciliation. It's crucial not to cling to false hopes. Instead, maturely accept that the woman no longer wishes to be with you. View this as an opportunity to learn from any mistakes, whether yours or hers, and apply these lessons to future relationships. It's important to avoid repeating unpleasant situations. Understand that some women may have manipulative intentions, seeking only short-term gains before disappearing. This isn't just about intimacy, but also about exploitative behaviors. Many men find themselves overly accommodating, sending constant messages, arranging meetings, and overspending, only to be ultimately ignored. Number 2. Maintain social media connections even after the breakup. Imagine this. When a woman who was once integral to your life chooses a different path, many men opt to vanish from social media, as if disconnecting from the virtual world halts their existence. This retreat into sadness can severely disrupt emotional balance. Choosing to stop living because someone no longer wants to be part of your story is the worst decision you can make for yourself. Instead, invest in yourself. Recognize the importance of self-love and care. Spend time with friends, visit places that bring you joy, even if you go alone, and keep your social media active. This not only demonstrates that life continues, but also sends a powerful message to yourself and others. It silently declares that your happiness is not dependent on any single person. Number 3. Investigate and strengthen your own path. In the journey of emotional recovery, it's crucial to prioritize personal growth and lay a strong foundation for the future. Explore and uncover your passions, aspirations, and personal goals. Invest time in activities that bring you fulfillment and propel you forward. Rather than dwelling on the past, focus on evolving into an improved version of yourself. This not only helps in overcoming setbacks, but also opens doors to new opportunities and meaningful connections. Remember, self-acceptance and staying true to yourself are key. By forging your own path, you enhance your attractiveness to both yourself and others. Strive to be the best version of yourself, and you'll discover a future filled with exciting possibilities. Number 4. Display overcoming in a striking manner. Recognize, my friend, that overcoming challenges isn't just about words. It's navigating through emotional tempests. Speaking is simple. Doing is the real test, especially in this facet of life. The ability to project composure is crucial. When I mention project, I don't mean masking your feelings, but avoiding appearing vulnerable when reconnecting with a woman who once held significance in your life. Keep vulnerability from showing in your demeanor. Instead, embody resilience. Show that her presence no longer rattles your stability. Many fall into the trap of reacting childishly, criticizing whenever possible.
Understand that this approach reveals unresolved overcoming and allows her to negatively impact your emotional state.
True overcoming isn't about concealing emotions, but demonstrating that you can progress with grace. By behaving this way, you exude self-assurance and strength, prompting introspection in the woman who chose distance. This mature stance not only preserves your worth, but also gives her space to see that her presence no longer undermines the resilient man you've become. Number 5. Firmly adopt an indifferent attitude. Imagine facing disdain like an unexpected storm. Understanding this complexity and navigating the rejection from someone who has turned away can feel like wandering through a labyrinth with no clear exit. The strategy here lies in embracing indifference, a solid shield against the emotional turbulence. Maintaining composure is crucial. Refraining from pleading for reconciliation is the tactful approach to prompt reconsideration. When someone chooses to disregard you, they often cast you as the antagonist in their narrative. Communication becomes a delicate dance, and resolving issues seems almost fantastical. Indifference offers a dignified escape route. Rather than assigning blame or asserting your correctness, simply disengage emotionally. This stance implies that you hold the key to your own freedom, politely responding but refusing to be drawn into conflict. Cultivating indifference is not dismissive but a declaration of self-worth, asserting, "My life progresses with or without you." It's not about proving a point but reclaiming autonomy. Choosing indifference preserves your integrity while signaling that your journey continues unabated. It's not a barrier but a shield safeguarding you from the negative echoes of the past. This mindset isn't about detachment, but a deliberate choice not to let past shadows overshadow your present and future. I hope the advice in this video has been beneficial for navigating sensitive relationship situations. If you found the content helpful and want more insights on self-esteem, relationships, and personal growth, please consider liking this video. And if you haven't already, join our community by subscribing and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Your participation is valued. Feel free to share your experiences and ideas for future videos in the comments. Let's foster a space for learning and development together. Thank you for watching, and until next time.